In the wonderful city of Lego lived a hero named Batman, bold and free, with a cape as black as the night, and a heart as bright as a morning light. One day, the city's bricks began to disappear, causing quite a stir and much fear. The buildings, the roads, even Batman's bat signal, all seemed to be under a spell. Batman, with his detective mind, investigated, digged, and combined. He questioned Robin, Commissioner Gordon, and even the Penguin. He would not be spurned. The Joker, with a mischievous grin, laughed at the Bat's quest to win. "I've taken the city's bricks," he said, "to build my own joyful hideout instead." Batman, with a determined look, said, "I'll bring the bricks back, don't you worry, okay." With his Batmobile, Batcycle, and Batwing, he set off, a heroic thing. He climbed, he jumped, he flew through the air, chasing the Joker without a care. At last, he found the Joker's lair, filled with the city's missing bricks, fair and square. "Give back the bricks, Joker, or prepare for a battle you'll never forget, I swear." The Joker, with a sneer, replied, "Never, Batman, never you'll deride." With a swift and mighty strike, Batman snatched the bricks with all his might. The Joker, in defeat, was left behind, as Batman, heroic and kind, and the city rejoiced with a joyous grace. The people cheered, "Batman, our friend, you've saved the day, and the end." So, remember, kids, when things seem lost, don't give up, just give it a toss. With courage, determination, and heart, you can overcome any part. Just like Batman, brave and true, we can face challenges anew. So, sleep well, and dream of the night where bricks may vanish, but heroes shine bright.